On this episode, we're going to teach you how you can take leftover mashed potato and make these delicious smiley fries. Take one large egg and add it to a bowl, and then I like to give this a whisking with a fork until it comes together. Add this to a large mixing bowl and 1 cup of leftover mashed potatoes. Idaho potatoes make the best mash. 3 tablespoons of regular breadcrumbs, not panko. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Cornstarch is really going to help this mixture. 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. 1.5 teaspoons of freshly milled black pepper. 1/4 cup of flour. Now we want to bring this mixture together just by stirring it gently, and you'll see it'll start to come together into a nice ball as we stir it. As it comes together, you'll notice it will have the consistency almost of a Play-Doh. It'll spring back. Now take a sheet of wax paper, place it on the board, and add another sheet on top. You want to make sure you use wax paper, not parchment paper. Roll this out with a rolling pin. Feel free at home to use a wine bottle as well. Now peel that piece of wax paper back, and you'll notice it's about 1/4 inch thick. To cut these out, you can use a cookie cutter, a washed out tomato paste can, or even a wine glass. Using a paper straw, now we're going to make the eyes, 2 eyes in each one. You can see that they're really starting to come together. I use a skewer, but feel free at home to use a cocktail stick or a small knife to make the smiley face. Look at them, they're so cute. Heat up some canola oil to 350 Fahrenheit. If you don't have a thermometer, you can just add a couple of breadcrumbs, and if they float to the top and they're brown, that means the oil's hot enough. Add the smiley fries, and we're going to cook these for 2 to 4 minutes until they're golden brown. You know, the colour we love when we have French fries. I like to place the cooked smiley fries on a cooling rack. This helps drain the oil. When it comes to serving smiley fries, I like to serve them with some tomato ketchup, but you can serve them whatever sauce you love in your home. The kids are gonna love these. Until next time, I'm Jon Ashton. See you soon.